Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing something about gravitation. As you know, we all have read about acceleration due to gravity. That means whenever we throw any object vertically downwards, what will happen? It will fall under the effect of gravity alone. That means उसे हम बोलते हैं, that will be termed as vertical motion या motion under gravity, right? तो उसमें हम एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी की जो वैल्यू लेते हैं दैट इज़ 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. दैट कैन बी टेकन एज 10 in some of the numericals if it is given. So is it a constant value or its value changes with something? So yes, we always say कि its value is constant, but it is not the case actually. It is constant whenever we are dealing with the objects that are lying on the surface of the earth or near the surface of the earth, but its value do change like when we go at high altitudes, right? So that means the value of acceleration due to gravity changes with altitude or height. Now let us consider there is, suppose I am saying this is earth, right? I am just making a part of it. Okay, so this is earth and this is acting as a center of the earth. So earth having mass m, okay, so this is earth having mass m, right? Now the body was initially at this point. It is at the surface of the earth. So at the surface of the earth, now the acceleration due to gravity at this p point, let us say. So now the value, since we know acceleration due to gravity is equivalent to capital G, that is the gravitational constant. It is gm, mass of the earth on which that object is lying, upon r square. And since you know acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the object, so you will not consider the mass of the object here. Okay, this m indicates the mass of the earth, right? And what is this r? This is the distance between the centers of the two bodies. One is the earth and other one is the object itself. So this is r radius. So radius of earth, that is capital R, right? Now what we will do is we will calculate how its value change when you move this body from point P to certain height. So let us say we have taken that object to point Q, that is at a distance h from the surface of the earth. Okay, now the total distance will be from the center of the earth will be r plus h. Now the value of gravity at q will be, the g will be the g is constant here. It is a gravitational constant and its value does not change. Even you put this object inside water, the value of g will remain the same, that is 6.6 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square and kg inverse square, right? So g ka value will not change. What will change? Mass will not change again. Mass of the earth will remain the same. Now this is the distance of separation between the two bodies that changes. So this should be r plus h whole square. Got it? So now since the distance increases, the gravity will decrease accordingly. So if you want to have relation between the two accelerations, what you will do is simply divide these two equations to get the required relation. So this is r plus h ka square, and reciprocal of this value will be r square by gm. This will cancel out. This will be r upon r plus h, and you can consider this as whole square. Got it? That means G at Q will be Gp times this R plus H ka square. Right? So this will be the required answer. Thank you.